Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you want to open up your Standalone Contacts application. Once you do so, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then select Import from SIM. Give it a second to load the contacts that are on your SIM card. Now, once it does so, you can see them right here. For me, all of them are grayed out. Now that happens because I have all the contacts already imported, so the device is stopping me from importing it twice. I am also not logged into a Google account, it looks like. I am though, for some reason, so not sure why it's not allowing me to do so. So typically what should happen, which I can't change it, is in here you should have a drop down which allows you to swap between the device as a storage for your contacts or your Google account. Now I am logged into a Google account, as you just seen, so it should give me the option to import to storage or the phone itself, which it doesn't. Now obviously in your case, if it shows that drop down, you can choose where you want to import your contacts to, and obviously you probably have contacts that you can import, unlike me. As you can see, contact already exists in your list, so it's just stopping me from duplicating them. Once you select any kind of contact, you will have an import option somewhere, I think at the bottom or here. And once you just confirm it, it automatically imports the contact to your contacts list. Now that being said, once you import your contacts, depending on where you imported them, you might need to switch where the phone is pulling the contacts from. So by default, if you're logged into a Google account, it will show it, I believe, from Google account, but you should also have the option to change to this device if you actually imported the contacts there. So anyway, that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.